Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker, showing you now the RTC unit of my UK-based client here in Mawing Estate. So ito yung second to the last unit ko na mataturn over this year for Mawing Estate po. So ayan siya. So malapit na kaming mag-final inspection. Hopefully next week mag-final inspection na kami. So kokonti na lang naman yung kulang. So dito sa ating guest room sa baba. Ayan po siya. And then, akyat tayo sa second floor. So, ito po, Mawing Estate po ito. So, same model with Madonna Residences. Ito yung master's bedroom natin in Mawing. So, ayan po siya. So, dito, fully finished po tayo. And ito yung master's bathroom naman natin. Wala pa tayong bathroom mirror. And also yung mga strip lights. And yung countertop natin na granite, wala pa. So, ayan po siya. And then, ito naman yung ating common bathroom sa second floor. Wala pa yung glass shelves natin. Yung dyan. So, kulang pa yon. And then, dito sa mga bedrooms natin, I know complete na to with built-in closet na din and wood accent walls. So, ayan po siya. And also, yung last room natin, alam ko, complete na din ito. If interested, just message us so we can assist you better. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for updates and promos. Have a nice day, homeowners!